Hello everyone. In the last video, we have seen the types of faults in power system using the flow chart and the classification we have seen there, that is a power system fault that have been classified into the two types, open circuit fault and the short circuit faults. After that, in the open circuit fault, the four types were there. In the short circuit fault, the two types were there, that is the symmetrical fault and the unsymmetrical fault. In the open circuit fault, we have seen in the last video, that is the basic fundamental things about the open circuit fault, that is the open circuit open fault, two conductor open fault and a three conductor open fault. So in this video, we will see first, that is we have here, that is the open circuit fault. So in this video, we'll focus on the open circuit faults in a three-phase power system. These faults are important to understand because they disturb the continuity of the power flow and reduce the reliability of the power system. So here I have written the basic definition of the open circuit fault that we have here. That is, the open circuit fault occurs because of the failure of one or two conductors. So it happens because of the failure of the one or two conductors. Whenever the one conductor is broken, either two circuit is broken, and also sometimes the three conductors also broken. So this type of faults occur in the open circuit faults only. So the open circuit fault takes place in series with the line, and because of this is called the series fault, because it always happens in the line. So that's why it is also called this. That's why this is also called the series fault. Such type of faults affect the reliability of the system. So the open circuit faults are categorized into, that is, three types of fault that we have here is the open conductor open fault, two conductors open fault, three conductors open fault that we have. So first we'll see, that is the open conductor open fault that we have here is the only one conductor is broken or disconnected in this type of fault. Because open conductor open fault, only one conductor is getting open or broken or disconnected. In the two conductors fault, two conductors are getting open. The word itself shows that the two conductors open fault. Two conductors open fault means only two conductors are getting open. In the three conductors open fault, three conductors are open, which is rare but most severe. The faults are, this one is the most severe. Here all three conductors are getting open, which is rare and most severe in nature. Next I will see, the first one is the open conductor open fault. So here we can see that the example of the single phase open conductor fault is that, let us take the first case, the open conductor fault. Here one phase of the three phase becomes open circuited while the other two phases remains connected. What I told here, that one phase of a three phase becomes open circuited while the other phases remains connected. So the diagram shows that the R, Y and the B phase lines, where the one line is broken from here. So this type of fault causes unbalanced voltage and currents, leading to overheating and equipment stress. So what are the causes of the open circuit faults are? First, the common cause, that is the broken conductor due to mechanical damage or snapping of a line. Loose terminals connections that fail under load. Blown fuse in the one phase. This is the causage. Open switch in one line during the operation. So even though open circuit faults do not produce the large currents like the short circuits, they can severely affect the reliability and must be detected quickly using the protective relay. So this is the detailed explanation of the open circuit faults, their definition, types of faults, and the common causes. Next, here I have written the one part also. It causes because of the broken circuits, loose terminals, blown fuse, or the open switch in the one line. Already I have discussed. Now let's understand the